7:39, New Year's Eve. I just came back from dinner. We went to BUCA de BEPPO. Beautiful, very nostalgic restaurant. My kids invited me. I went with my son and his family and my grandson from my daughter's family. He came with me. He was my little date tonight. And the rest of the kids all had different plans, so it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of us. And we had a great meal, a great time, lots of laughs.
Nothing that they said is large is actually.
And I wore this top from Old Navy. And, you know, I bought about 10 tops when they were on sale for $6, $7. And I swear, this is all I'm going to be wearing. I bought this thermal top. It's perfect with a pair of jeans. And I'll put a link for these jeans. These are really so nice. They are not skin tight, not too baggy. They're just perfect. I just love them. I bought 2, of course. I always buy 2 of everything. What else? I wore these rings. At one point, my grandson said, do those all come off together? You know, they're all attached. It's cute, right? It was a gift a long time ago. I told him, see all the rings I have on? I said, when I was working, and you know, people introduce you, you know, the men shake your hand. Most men crush my hands. So my rings crush on my hand, in my fingers. So I was teaching my grandsons, be very gentle when you shake a girl's hand. Do not shake like you shake men's hand. Men show each other, you know, how tough they are. But when you're shaking a woman's hand, just very gently. So, anyway, we had a good time. Oh, so I wanted to show you, this is my glam, very glam makeup with a nude lip. Okay, so I have shadow on, but I have these fake lashes on. I have bottom shadow, top shadow, liner, the whole 9 yards. And I have a half of a lash on each. I use the Duo, the Revlon Clear, and I just put them on. It's very difficult for me. I don't find it easy at all. I wore a nude lip. This one's better. I wore a nude lip. I'll show you that. That's by L'Oreal, the outline. And then I put this NYX Filler Instinct. It's very cute. It's called Brunch Drunk. And let me show you the color. How shiny it is. Look how shiny it is. So I just put it. Basically, I really just put it on the bottom. This is a nighttime look. I really don't wear that much red like I used to. I mean, I used to wear red all the time in my 40s. But I seem to have gravitated to a more nude-ish, beige, peachy, tangerine color. Pinky, you know. And I try to accentuate my eyes because if I don't, they don't pop. So anyway, what I wanted to show you today This company, MAYSAMA, MAYSAMA. I was watching several videos online, and a few of them were talking about this product that is absolutely amazing. And not just one person, but a lot of videos I was watching, and they were just raving about this product. So I contacted the company, and lo and behold, this woman that runs this company, that owns this company, is the sweetest. She sent me a basket full of goodies. And this is what I wanted. And she is going to send a winner of mine a bottle of this. This is called MAYSAMA Green Rooibos Pressed Serum. Now, I'm going to explain to you the whole magic of this serum, why it's so fabulous. It's a lightweight gel-based serum. It's formulated for superior antioxidant protection, 3% niacinamide, to hydrate, nourish, and soothe your skin. Okay, so they say if you use this with an LED light, whoo, I will tell you everything about it. Okay. Okay, so this came in here. This gel balm cleanser. Then she sent me these reusable bamboo pads. Oh my goodness. Look at this. These are all reusable bamboo pads, and they have a pocket for your finger, and then you scrub your face with it. And they're reusable, washable in the laundry. What a cute little container. She sent me this little spatula to put on a mask. And here is the mask. This is a green rooibos brightening face mask with niacinamide. Also, look at this. They sell all these things on her website. I was blown away when I found out how this product works and how people are getting such amazing results that I said, I have to get this for you. I was going to buy it, and then she graciously said she will send it to me. Of course, I asked for a giveaway for my girls here, and we will have this as a giveaway, so I cannot reply on your beautiful comments that I love, and I heart, and I put a like and a thumbs up. But I will be reading them about 2-3 times. Your comments keep me company. They make me happy. Thank God I'm that kind of YouTuber that gets beautiful comments. I appreciate it so much. So anyway, I will pick one lucky winner, and then I will get the information from you, and she will send you a free green Rubio's pressed serum. And you know, I have been putting everything that I put on my face, I put on my hands, because boy, these hands are going to show you age, I'm telling you. I had to write to this company, and I had to ask her if she would do a giveaway, if she would collab with me, and she graciously said yes. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for MAYSAMA. I hope you enjoyed yourself for a few minutes. I hope to see you in my next video. Love you so much. Mwah. I can't believe my hair is so blonde. I mean, I really meant to do more highlights, but it's good. It's okay. I need a little height though, you know. What else? I have a lot of stuff here. Okay, I've got the same shirt on. You don't mind, do you? From another video?